YouTube? How you guys doing today? I'm doing great. As you can see, it's raining in California in the middle of March, beginning of March, March 5th. As of right now, I'm recording this at March 5th. I'm probably gonna upload it March 5th. Let me see. Most likely, probably you guys will be seeing this the 10th. So March 10th. I told you guys are gonna get a video of me and just driving from school to the rain. Just driving home right now, just settled down because of this rain. Can't really do nothing because of this rain. Oh, I can't see nothing. This is the first time I've actually driven in rain that is this bad. Believe it or not. Well, so you guys will be seeing this video after the Kenter video. So the day I recorded that, what year am I in? Oh, the day I recorded the other POV, it was March 3rd, so it was on Monday. It is currently Wednesday, and it is currently Wednesday. I'm gonna try to put out at least a video. I did say on the other POV video one video a month. I'm gonna try maybe one video every 2 weeks. I mean, we'll see. I hope I can. It's more gonna just be probably POV like this, just home driving from school. So most likely it's gonna be a mix of today's video and of me recording on the 5th and the 6th because it's supposed to rain tomorrow on Thursday as well. Whew. That thing's hot. Well, something happened up there. So it'll be a mixture of both days. I think it's gonna rain all day tomorrow. I mean, I hope it does, so I can bring out another video so it's not like 5 minutes long. I'm gonna try to make this video 10, possibly maybe like 12. Another fit. Damn. Oh, it has the fog lights. So, and the time I do record the little video that I do around the car, it is today. It is the 5th. When I got home on Monday, I did not do anything, and I kind of forgot to record the whole car. So I'm doing it today. So for right now, today's video is just gonna be simple. It's gonna be a little POV drive just like this. I hope you guys like it. You know, just a little something. Damn, it's getting foggy. I hope you guys like it. So I am gonna put music over this because I am playing copyright music. So, and believe it or not, on the first video I ended up getting copyrighted. I don't know how. It was some random song that I don't even know, but I posted it anyway. Thankfully the song wasn't like, it's not fully copyrighted, so when you post the video on YouTube, I guess YouTube has to go through it to see if it gets copyrighted, and it got copyrighted. But there's one way that it could go through, and that's that if the singer or whoever produced the song or whatever the case may be allows it to be used on videos, it doesn't get copyrighted. Like, it says copyright and it says allowed or something like that. So I don't know how I got copyrighted. I looked at it, the music wasn't even that loud through the speakers, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'm gonna be playing copyright music, so there's gonna be music over this. I hope you guys enjoyed the little POV today and tomorrow's video. So So I hope you guys enjoy. Also guys, sorry this video is a little boring. There's nothing else to do, to be honest. The rain is kind of coming down hard. My mom's texting me over here. There's really nothing to do, so sorry if this video is boring. No, I do not like cutting up in traffic. I will not be doing none of that stuff, so don't even bother asking. It sucks because, to be honest, as you guys can see, all this traffic, the 405 mainly is all traffic. So sorry this video is a little boring. You know, I might make this just March 5th and then tomorrow's video maybe a little longer. I'm still debating, so I'm bringing the GoPro anyway, just to see if anything. I'm hoping it doesn't rain tomorrow, to be honest, because I know it's supposed to rain all next week, Monday through Thursday, which sucks. But by the way guys, I did get the mount for my Enduro helmet, so I will be putting that on. So if we do go ride on Sunday, I'm hoping we do, just hopefully all this rain clears up tomorrow. It doesn't rain as much, so Saturday or Sunday, whenever time we go ride, it's fine. So most likely probably gonna go to a jump spot, probably do Blue Bug. You guys know where that's at, you guys know. I don't know if the trail is secret or not, so I'm not gonna say it. So if you guys do know, let me know if it is secret or not, because I know they put up a gate somewhere, and I don't know if they try to make it secret now. I don't know if they try to make it secret now or not, but whoa, chill out, sir. So let me know if it is secret, and if it isn't, I'll name the trail that we go. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a short one, but hey, at least it's something. I'm gonna enjoy this traffic home. I think it said like 30 minutes home, so we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, drop a like. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on more videos coming through. I need you guys' feedback, because you know, I don't know what to film, to be honest. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Drop a like, sub if you do. If you don't, cool, don't care. I'm out. Peace.